Do you know much about Venezuelan food? I don't. So my friend Ali is here to show us a few of her signature recipes. What are you making me?
Oh, today we are making arepas.
Arepas.
Yum. Yeah, that's a Venezuelan and Colombia daily bread.
So Ali, tell me about the flour we're going to be using for this.
That's a really important thing to say before we make the arepas because this is a specific type of cornmeal.
Cornmeal.
You have to use it for the arepas. Right. Sometimes people, they think they can buy flour from the supermarket, like, the one you can make cakes or cornstarch. Please don't do that.
And I guess it's because it's ground in a specific way.
A specific way, yes, exactly.
Very
it's completely different. Mexican, they use a technique.
Yep.
For the flour, they use another type of things, but this one is the proper one to make a perfect arepas.
Okay.
And it's so easy to make. Okay. We just need water.
Yep. Not cold, not hot, just normal.
Normal water from the tap. Yep. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
And then a pinch of salt. Just a little bit. And the flour.
Okay.
We need a Play-Doh consistent.
Play-Doh consistency.
Yeah,
okay.
It can be running, like, really liquid or really hard. I will show you.
So you sort of keep a bit of flour back
in case you need, yes.
Okay.
So this is too running.
Okay, I can help you.
So,
put more in.
Excellent. Just put it all.
The whole lot.
The whole lot.
Your recipe is perfect then.
I normally do 1 cup of water and 1 cup of flour.
Okay.
So,
1 to 1.
1 to 1. Look at this. This is just perfect. So look at the consistency. Okay. It looks like it's ready.
Yes.
It's perfect.
Nice.
And now, how we do the arepas? Maybe you can try and do your first arepa.
Yes, this is my first arepa. I keep thinking I've done all sorts of breads, but there's always more to learn in the world, right, of cooking?
You learn something new every day.
Exactly.
The size, it is up to you.
Okay.
For kids, look at this. It is so cute. We roll a little ball.
Yep.
It's really easy and simple. And then we're gonna do like a flat, like a little patty.
Okay, a little patty.
You see how soft it is?
So soft, very
really
easy to work with. Yeah.
Exactly. Look at this cutie arepa.
Oh, it's such a cutie.
For kids, you can put cheese inside, like you can fill it. That's the really good things of the arepa because it's a really versatile type of bread. You can fill with anything you want.
Maybe some Vegemite.
Oh, yum. Let's do a big one, a normal arepa size.
Okay. So this one's like a medium-sized one?
A medium-sized one, and then...
Wow, look at the technique. You've made a few of those in your time.
A lot. Okay, this is a medium one.
Okay.
Let's cook it. It's really easy. We put a little bit of oil on the pan. We put it here. And we have to cook for 5 minutes on each side.
Okay, so...
And that's it. That's ready to eat.
Okay, so you probably don't want the pan to be too hot.
Too hot.
Because it'll burn on the outside.
Yes, it has to be crispy on the outside and really soft on the inside. We're gonna make one of the most famous Venezuelan filling. It's called a Reina Pepiada filling. We're gonna do avocado first.
Okay, avocado.
Yeah, we cut an avocado. Oh, that's really good. Let's see. Oh, that's a beautiful one.
It's always, you're going to have a good day when the avocado is that perfect.
Great.
And then straight into a bowl?
Yes, we put it into the bowl. Okay. While you're doing that, I'm going to show you the chicken. How we do the chicken, really simple. Just we have to boil it. To give a little bit of flavor, I really recommend, to add into the water a little piece of onion, coriander, a little bit of salt, a clove of garlic, and you get, a nice flavor.
And I guess you could use some leftover chicken for this too.
Oh, yes, perfect. And the roast chicken, excellent. You just buy the chicken for dinner. If you have a leftover, do it with that.
Sounds good.
Perfect. We're going to put the chicken here.
Chicken in.
Oh, that looks yum. You can add a little bit of coriander.
Beautiful. Coriander, yep. Just some leaves.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Oh, yum. And adding more chicken, mayonnaise, salt.
Fantastic. And is that too much coriander?
No, perfect. I love coriander.
They love coriander in Venezuela?
Oh, my God, so much, yes. You can imagine when I moved to Australia, I couldn't believe it. It's a Facebook page called I Hate Coriander because people here, they love it or they hate it.
Yep.
I mean, what? I couldn't believe it. It's like a genetic thing that the coriander produce in your tongue.
Yes.
And it tastes like soap.
Exactly.
I couldn't believe it. I said, oh, my God.
I know, it's crazy. Those crazy people that don't like coriander. Okay, I'll mix that up.
Oh, yum.
Ali, I think I'm going to like it. Chicken, avocado.
Who doesn't like chicken
bread.
and avocado? Bread,
Exactly.
exactly. Maybe I'm gonna put a little bit of salt.
Definitely, yeah. Do you like this chunky or like quite thin?
Really thin.
Really
Yeah,
thin,
really
mash,
thin.
mash, okay.
Mash, mash, mash. It's like you are making a guacamole.
Guacamole, chicken guacamole.
Chicken
huh?
guacamole. Oh, that's amazing. Look at this. Perfect. Wow, you are a pro. So I think we are ready. We are just waiting for the arepa to be cooked.
Yeah. Okay.
So we are ready to try the arepas. Look at this. If you want to know that the arepa is ready, this is the sound. According to my grandmother.
The grandmothers, they're always right,
They
right?
are always right. So it is gluten-free, it's lactose-free. You know, we have in Australia a lot of intolerance,
Yes.
allergy.
Yep.
This is a really nice bread to have. Perfect. Justin, you can put a little bit on the top. Oh my God, yum.
It's like a chicken guacamole,
Like
yeah?
a chicken guacamole. That's perfect.
And then just spread it over.
Yep,
just like
a little
that.
bit spread over. We can add a little bit of black pepper on top.
Yes, some pepper.
Amazing. That's it. That's perfect. And now we're gonna garnish. So we have little edible flour here. We can put micro herbs on top as well.
Okay, a little bit of micro herbs. I love this because it's kind of like Venezuelan street food.
Exactly. That's like a Venezuelan taco. A
Yes.
proper Venezuelan street food.
Yep.
We eat with our hands.
Oh.
So don't use knife and fork. Really simple.
Let's have half each.
Yeah, it's not really fancy. It's just delicious. Done. Oh, perfect. Oh, let's see what you think about
My
her
first-
first arepa. So, yummy.
Look at that. And I love how it's like really fluffy in the center.
And you see that it's really soft and
Yes.
outside is really crispy.
Okay.
Yum.
I love it. I love it. I've never tasted it before. And it's so easy to make.
Really easy, simple, it's so delicious.
And that
Yum.
cornmeal is obviously very special because you can't just use anything. You've got to use the specific one, which you can get from all good South American grocery stores.
Yep.
Oh, I love that. And I love that topping.
Enjoy.
Oh, very nice. Thank you, Ali. I really love the recipe.
Thank you so much.